Hello, and welcome to today's ClassCalc tutorial on copying and pasting tables. To get started, we'll copy some sample data from a Google spreadsheet, but do note that you could use an Excel spreadsheet or a CSV file as well. To select your data, simply tap on a cell and then drag the knob at the bottom right corner of your cell to whichever other cells you want to select as well. To copy from the spreadsheet, simply tap on your selected cells and click Copy. To paste in ClassCalc, simply hold press on the input that you want to paste in and click Paste Table. And there we go. We've pasted our table, which has 103 rows. To view the table in full screen, click on the Expand button. ClassCalc can handle thousands of lines of data, but note that once tables get larger than 50 rows, you will no longer be able to edit the tables in ClassCalc. Big tables should be edited in a spreadsheet, then imported to ClassCalc for further manipulation, like running a linear regression. And that's all for today. Thank you for tuning in to this ClassCalc tutorial. For more, visit classcalc.com/tutorials.